It's a great day at Equity. Now that temperatures are falling and we're heading into bonfire season, autumn is a perfect time to take care of important home maintenance tasks before winter's chill sets in. We'll run through the necessary checklist of what you need to do to prep your home for the winter months. To plan proactively, certain services are easier to schedule and less expensive to take care of in the off-season when you can tackle these maintenance items without the pressure of a problem arising. Let's take a look. Beginning with inside your home, when creating a maintenance checklist, make sure to add the following to your to-dos that will not only provide safety but also efficiency. First, it is critical to test your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors to make sure they are working properly. This includes checking the batteries to verify they have not expired. This should be done to each device on each level of your home, and it's recommended this be completed every season of the year. If any detectors are outdated, they will need to be replaced. If they are hardwired, it's best to have a skilled licensed electrician handle the installation. If you have a wood-burning fireplace, cleaning your chimney is a good task to do this time of year before you begin using it regularly. Hiring a professional is the best route since they have the proper tools. Servicing your HVAC unit and furnace yearly is the best way to find if your unit is working efficiently. Taking care of this in the early autumn can alleviate any urgency in the winter if something were to malfunction or stop working. And who wants to be left in the cold? Changing your filters is an easy do-it-yourself task that will aid in the efficiency of your unit and reduce your energy bills. Then you will want to winterize your windows and doors since heat can easily escape and cold air can seep in through crevices and openings. Weather stripping is often used to take care of these spots in your home. Now let's discuss important maintenance items needed outside your home that you shouldn't neglect. Cleaning and maintaining the gutters on your home is a basic outdoor task that is needed mainly because of all the leaves that fall and accumulate in your gutters and downspouts, clogging them. This makes it harder for the water to wash away from the structure of your house. There is a risk of damage to the roof, walls, and foundation when they are not cleaned. Prepare your lawn and garden. To maintain a healthy lawn, there are some steps to take before temperatures become too cold and the ground is too hard. Cut your grass extra short, water and fertilize your grass. Also aerate the soil more than once if you are able. This will help the roots as much as possible. Next, prune your shrubs and remove any dead plants to promote healthy growth in the spring. Don't forget to turn off and drain any exterior faucets and water sources. Any water remaining in outdoor pipes could expand when frozen and cause damage and expensive repairs. Autumn is also the perfect time of year to take care of any exterior painting, staining, or sealing. Take advantage of this opportunity since many paints and other products will struggle to dry or adhere properly when temperature drops below 50 degrees. All of these items on the checklist may seem like a lot, but will become routine once you add them to your seasonal maintenance schedule. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on our post notifications to never miss a new video. Please leave a comment below if this video is helpful and if you'd like to see more videos on related topics.